iPhone 12. It's a 5.4-inch iPhone with an old Super Retina display from Samsung. It's important to note straight off the bat that Super Retina means absolutely nothing, so don't get too caught up on that, but nonetheless it's going to be an old display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and this gives us 475 pixels per inch. And it's got an 8-bit color depth. Well, there have been rumors of all models having 120Hz displays. Unfortunately, it appears that this model is only going to be 60 Hz. It's going to be equipped with 4 gigs of RAM, and it's going to come with the choice of 128 or 256 storage. It's got an aluminum frame, and of course it uses the Apple 14 Bionic chip with 5G support. The iPhone 12 is coming with dual cameras on the rear, and it will of course be shipping with iOS 14 for those that want the full gig of RAM with 128 storage. It's launching at a price of $649. If you want to upgrade it to the 256 GB iPhone 12, then it's $750. Next up, we've got the iPhone 12 Max. To be clear, this is a Max and not the Pro Max. The iPhone 12 Max has a 6.1-inch OLED display. This again is a Super Retina OLED display, and we believe it's now going to be manufactured by either Samsung or LG, as both did not pass the quality assurance tests. It comes with a resolution of 2532 by 1170. This gives us 460 pixels per inch, and again it has an 8-bit color depth. We get 4 GB of RAM, a choice of 128 or 256 storage. The iPhone 12 Max is powered by the A14 Bionic chip. It's got an aluminum frame, a 5G connectivity, and it uses a dual camera setup on the rear for those that want the 128 GB iPhone 12 Max. It's going to be launching at a price of $749. For those that want the 256 GB version, then the price rises to $849. The iPhone 12 Pro also has a 6.1-inch display, so it's actually the same size as the iPhone 12 Max, but we do have an improved display in specs on the iPhone 12 Pro. We've got a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display with ProMotion and 10-bit color depth. The display is manufactured by Samsung and has a resolution of 2532 by 1170, giving us 460 pixels per inch. We are very hopeful of this 120Hz ProMotion display, but it's still been unconfirmed, and there are a few people saying this may not happen. The iPhone 12 Pro comes with 6 GB of RAM and a choice of 128, 256 or even 512 GB storage. It of course ships with the Apple 14 Bionic chipset, and the iPhone 12 Pro is 5G compatible. It comes in a stainless steel frame, and on the rear we get a triple camera setup along with a LiDAR sensor for depth. For the 128 GB iPhone 12 Pro, it's going to be $999. For the 256 GB, it's $1,099, and the 512 GB iPhone 12 Pro, it's gonna be $1,299. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch OLED display. Again, this is a Super Retina display, and hopefully with ProMotion we get a 10-bit color depth, and of course it is manufactured by Samsung. It's got a resolution of 2778 by 1284, and this gives us 458 pixels per inch. Again, we expect and hope it's going to be a 120Hz ProMotion display, but there are a few people saying otherwise. It comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 or 512 GB internal storage. It's got a stainless steel frame, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is of course powered by the A14 Bionic chipset, and this does have 5G support. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, we get 3 cameras on the rear along with a LiDAR sensor for those who want the 128 GB. iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's going to launch at a price of $1,099. If you want the 256 GB version, it's $1,199, and for those that want the most expensive in the range, the 512 GB iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to be launching at shopping $1,399. If any more information comes comes to light I'll be sharing with you guys straight away, but as always I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. Who's excited for the iPhone 12 launch, and do you think we will get these 120Hz displays? But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I margin. This is Digital Outside. I will catch you in the next one.